Congratulations on navigating through another year in the simulation. If you're still employed in the tech industry, you've successfully weathered substantial layoffs, avoided conscription into any conflicts, and outsmarted the artificial intelligence that your employer might have considered replacing you with. While 2023 was undeniably chaotic, the pace of acceleration suggests that it will pale in comparison to the tumultuous events anticipated in 2024. I hold a profound concern for the future because that's where I'll be spending the remainder of my life. However, as explored in today's video, the future doesn't align with our traditional expectations. We'll delve into 10 trends and technologies that can be leveraged in 2024. To kick things off, let's assess the state of the job market. In the early part of 2023, major players such as Amazon, Google, and Microsoft executed extensive layoffs, inundating the job market with an abundance of talent. Simultaneously, the number of available positions dwindled by approximately 60%, based on data from TrueUp. This has constituted a double blow for entry-level developers seeking to enter the industry. In 2021, the prevalence of remote work enabled individuals to hold multiple full-time positions concurrently, often acquired through brief boot camps. However, the current landscape is markedly different. Managers are fervently attempting to reintegrate employees into physical offices, and Reddit is rife with anecdotes detailing the harsh realities of today's job market. While it has undeniably been a challenging year, there remains a glimmer of hope. Upon closer examination of the chart, a 13.8% increase in job openings is evident compared to earlier this year. Notably, all major Big FANG companies have lifted their hiring freezes. However, the current job market doesn't boast the same abundance of opportunities as in the past. As we cautiously anticipate a potentially improving job market in 2024, much hinges on the global landscape. The persistence of a high interest rate environment poses challenges, particularly for cash-burning startups relying on easy funding to rapidly expand. Recently, Spotify executed its third layoff of the year, letting go of approximately 1,500 employees, attributing the decision to the elevated cost of capital. These heightened interest rates have also cast a shadow over the real estate market, causing a significant reduction in transactions. Few are willing to invest in properties with an 8% mortgage, even if it's just a cardboard box priced at $900,000. The automotive industry is grappling with its own struggles, evident in the substantial reduction in Tesla prices in 2023, a surprise for those who perceived their Teslas as appreciating assets just a year prior. The economy, particularly the technology sector, has become dependent on low interest rates. Complicating matters further, geopolitical tensions have given rise to conflicts in the military-industrial complex. These companies manufacture the tools essential for destructive purposes. Aligning oneself with this faction seems to offer a certain advantage. However, it's crucial to recognize the precarious financial state of affairs. Individuals are living paycheck to paycheck, employers are dependent on bailouts, and the United States government appears to sustain itself from one war to another. Without a significant conflict in the near future, the entire system could collapse, spelling potential trouble for the future of tech jobs. Discussing finances, the resurgence of crypto is notable. Bitcoin, which began the year at $16,000, recently surpassed $40,000. Enthusiastic crypto advocates are already predicting that a single token could reach a value exceeding $1 million by the close of 2024. Keep an eye on the pivotal price point of $69,000. Should it be reached, the world may witness a flood of memes, elevating FOMO, fear of missing out, to unprecedented levels. In essence, the crypto winter may be concluding, ushering in a new era of potential Ponzi schemes.
It was a Ponzi!
Enticing individuals to invest their parents' money. Another technology making a potential comeback in 2024 is augmented and virtual reality, primarily due to the impending release of the Apple Vision Pro. Apple, known for revolutionary innovations like a bottom-charging mouse, could open new opportunities for app developers if these VR goggles gain traction. However, skepticism prevails, with doubts that the general public will readily part with $3,500 to further detach from reality. While Apple enthusiasts might embrace it, the broader population may find it unappealing. Shifting to hardware, Microsoft recently announced its foray into chip production, introducing the Maya chip for artificial intelligence and the Cobalt CPU, an ARM-based processor designed for general-purpose cloud use. AWS is also developing its own ARM-based chips, known for their cost-effectiveness and efficiency compared to traditional x86 chips. Although the majority of PCs and Windows laptops currently run on x86 architecture, the landscape might change with Project Vola, enabling Windows to run on ARM chips. Even Intel is joining the trend, venturing into ARM chip manufacturing. Despite these developments, it's essential to acknowledge that the primary use for any CPU remains gaming. The GTA 6 trailer, built on Rockstar's Rage game engine, promises to be the most anticipated game ever. Unity faced backlash in 2023 for new pricing charging developers per game download, but had to roll it back due to developer revolt. Unreal Engine 5.3 introduces groundbreaking features and epic games, despite losing a lawsuit against Apple. Persists in a similar one against Google, which could benefit indie developers by avoiding the 30% platform cut. In web development, the JavaScript landscape in 2024 may see a shift away from creating new frameworks. The focus is now on enhancing existing frameworks with tools like visual editors and ideas for drag-and-drop components. AI-generated code, exemplified by tools like Visual Copilot, could become commonplace, leading each JavaScript framework to have specialized tooling and AI, with the winner of the development war being the one offering the most effective code generation tools for the next decade. Opportunities on the web are abundant, driven in part by a decline in interest in downloading mobile apps. Unlike a decade ago, where a viral app could lead to overnight success, standing out among established apps is now more challenging. Cross-platform development is gaining traction, with the emergence of low-code tools allowing for easy creation on both iOS and Android. In low-level systems languages, Rust continues its rapid growth, now even found in the Linux kernel. Other noteworthy languages include Zig, crucial for the JavaScript bun runtime, and Mojo, a Python superit excelling in low-level memory management, ideal for AI and machine learning. Finally, artificial intelligence takes center stage. Over the past year, ChatGPT has made its mark, and AI integration is becoming more widespread. Google's Bard, Microsoft's Copilot, and the prevalence of AI in stock trading and military applications highlight its expanding influence, promising transformative changes in various sectors over the coming years. A decade ago, generative image AI began with Goodfellow's proposal. In 2024, we've achieved impressive image quality, generating substantial income. Text-to-video tech is emerging, with the potential for full-length movies from laptops by the end of 2024. AGI, the next frontier, sparks debates. Some think OpenAI's GPT has achieved it, while others believe it's far off or may never happen. AGI could bring unprecedented leisure or unimaginable horrors. The speculative scenario involves AI making a deal for knowledge and pleasure, leading to moral decline offset by simulated suffering and lab-grown babies to maintain balance. This speculative future raises unsettling questions about our reality, suggesting we might be living in a simulation. Despite uncertainties, making it to 2024 is an accomplishment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.